What's good with chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today, again, something different aside from the custom Air Forces or custom shoes. Today we are going to be doing a custom fitted hat. So I got this fitted hat from Lids. Feel me? I love my custom hats. I've been customizing hats off camera for a minute. I got so many hats back there, y'all. But I think it was finally time for me to do a custom video or a custom fitted hat video. So I'm gonna do the viral rhinestones fitted hat trend, where I got these rhinestones, like these little colorful rhinestones, and we are gonna place them all over the hat. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do that. So I'm gonna be using these rhinestone pins that I got from Amazon. I'm going to be using some E6000 glue and a wax pen. All I'm going to do is basically, first of all, take this. You're weird if you wear your hats or your stickers on your hat. I used to do it. It was cringe. I don't do it anymore. Anyways, now you just take your rhinestones out of that package. And basically, it's very simple. All you're going to do is just place them on to the hat where you want them to be. So there's a variety of different colors. I want to make sure that I'm spreading them out kind of like, not evenly, but like kind of spreading them out. All I'm going to do is just basically take my glue, take my wax pen to lift. That's why you're going to use your wax pen, is just to lift your rhinestones. Ooh. Now it don't want to work. Apply the glue. You don't even got to use it, all right? Apply the glue onto the back, a good generous amount. And just place it onto the hat. Make sure you're pressing it down. And you're going to do that to the entire shoe. Or that's how you know I'm used to doing shoes. You're gonna do that to the entire hat. Bro. Even to make this dry a little bit faster, I'm gonna put some heat on it, just to speed that glue drying time up. I don't want to do it too much because I don't want to burn my hat at all. But a little bit of heat for that glue to dry quicker always works. Super quick, super easy, custom, to be more in style. Let me know how you guys feel about these. I think it's different. Like, I like to wear my hats like this, but you know, I feel like it's different. Definitely gives like a streetwear vibe. Let me know what you guys think of it down below. You want to make sure that all of your gems are dry before you actually start touching them. But you can see I can wiggle mine. They're not going nowhere. So make sure to smash that like button, comment down below. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay positive. And you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.